Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is just playing around, but making a pretty cool design. I am always really basically anal about rotating an item from the center or below the center. And if we do this item and we open up the window Docker's transformation and go rotation and put the center rotation off to the side and the bottom, when we rotate it, you get a totally different look. And what is kind of cool about this, if you would control G to, or control D to duplicate that and then mirror it, you get a total different look again. So think about that next time you're rotating something. I would normally rotate from, like right here, and you get that. Or if you rotate off to the side, you get that with a hole in it and a whole different look. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.